Imagine the comfort in having a box delivered free to your front door. A box containing the best premium dog food available. A great tasting dry dog food that's all natural and gluten-free that your companion is guaranteed to love. A premium healthy dog food with limited ingredients. No grains, no potatoes. A premium dog food made in America. Imagine the confidence in having a box that not only contains the best, healthiest, premium dog food, but ensures you are providing her the perfect portion size. A premium, healthy dog food she's guaranteed to love. Imagine the excitement in having that box contain toys and treats that are sure to delight her. Now imagine all of this being truly affordable. The Naked Dog Box means more weekends at the beach, running, playing, bonding. Delivered free to your front door means that you have more time to explore the outdoors with her. Because it is the best, healthiest, premium dry dog food available, means she will have all the energy she needs to keep up with you in the snow. Imagine the freedom in ordering this box. A box containing the best premium dog food available, where you are able to order from anywhere and have it delivered right to your doorstep. The Naked Dog Box. Stop imagining. Make it real. Order now. The best, healthiest, most affordable dog food delivered free to your front door. To start your journey to the healthiest and happiest pet, visit www.thenakeddogbox.com and try your first box for only $10.